Hi, I'm Joe Kinkowski, president of Electronic Design Company. Today we're at St. Rose of Lima in Roseville, Minnesota. We're going to be doing a speaker comparison between 3 steerable column line arrays. We've got people from St. Rose of Lima that are going to be listening to them. We've got the system set up so that through our digital touchscreen we could switch between one speaker to the other, and we're also doing a comparison of their existing house system. The first speaker we'll be working with today is the JBL IntelliVox. The second speaker will be the Tannoy Q-Flex 40, and the third speaker will be a Meyer Cal.
Here's a final point. Before Jesus ascends with our humanity to the Father, the disciples ask, Lord, are you at this time going to restore the kingdom to Israel? Here's a final point. Before Jesus ascends with our humanity to the Father, the disciples ask, Lord, are you at this time going to restore the kingdom to Israel? Here's a final point. Before Jesus ascends with our humanity to the Father, the disciples ask, Lord, are you at this time going to restore the kingdom to Israel? Here's the final point. Before Jesus ascends with our humanity to the Father, the disciples ask, Lord, are you at this time going to restore the kingdom to Israel?
I felt like on 3 I was hearing a lot of reverb and even harmonics a little bit in the singing. I thought 2 was clearer for both voice or for spoken word and for singing.
Because 2 was definitely, me listening to it was really great for words.
2 was probably better for music, for especially people that might be hard of hearing, to be able to pick out the words that are actually being sung.
Father, would you like any more information?
I also thought 2 was very nice on my ears as well. Definitely an improvement over the house system. So that's clearly the parishioner's preference from the group here.
Okay.